Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and in this video I'll be looking at this shock-absorbing magnetic wireless car charger from Koopao. It's getting more and more difficult for makers to do something a little different with wireless chargers to make them stand out from their competition. However, when Koopao asked me to review this wireless car charger, it had a special shock-absorbing feature that I just had to check out. In the box you get a paper instruction manual, there is the main magnetic mount itself, an air vent ball joint clip and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable of around 1 meter in length. And you also get an adhesive metal ring to use this charger with non-magnetic phones. Looking over the mount, it's made from a mix of polycarbonate, ABS and silicone materials. So it has a small size form factor with a chrome Koopao branding on the lower lip at the front. On the bottom of the mount there is one USB-C input port to power the car charger, and on either side there are two LED lights that light up to indicate that the charger is operational, and then they glow whilst the attached device is charging. The rear of the mount houses a 17mm ball socket that the supplied air vent clip attaches onto, and the screw mount around the ball joint can be tightened around the socket firmly to fix the angle of the mount itself. The air vent clip features one of my favourite attachment types, which is an adjustable arm that you pass through the air vent blades, and then you screw this hook back onto the rear of the air vent blades, and then this tension keeps the mount in place, much better than most other air vent types. And it's also good to see that this particular feature has an adjustable arm that's made from a more sturdier and hopefully more reliable metal material. Whilst looking at the clip, it's worth pointing out that there are two grooved indentations across the top and on the bottom of the clip, and this can be used to mount any of the charging cables for a more neater cable management system around the car charger, as well as your car interior. So the main new feature that separates this mount from many others of its kind is that this front half of the mounting section is separately suspended from the rear. And you can see this at the side of the charger. This means that if there are any sudden jolts in the car, this car charger will dampen this vibration thanks to its suspended front part that your phone is attached onto. It's a clever idea that I'm surprised I haven't seen before in a car mount, so you can understand my desire to test it. So I jumped into my VW Golf GTI Mark 7 to mount this car charger. The installation was very quick and easy thanks to its great mounting system. You first loosen the adjustable arm, then pass the arm through the air vent blades, and then when pulling backwards you hook the end of the arm over one blade as you keep tightening the mount onto the front of the air vent. The adjusted arm tightens and pulls the clip towards it, and it makes the mount fix onto the air vent blade very firmly. After adjusting the screw ball joint at the back to tighten the mount's angle, the installation is complete. Then you just need to connect up the power cable to a USB-A charging socket or adapter in your car interior, and then the mount is ready to place your magnetic charging phone onto it. Placing my iPhone 13 Pro with MagSafe onto this charger felt solid, and it fixed onto the mount very securely, thanks to its array of strong magnets inside the front mounting plate. Being magnetic, you can seamlessly position your phone between both vertical and horizontal orientations on this mount without removing the phone from the mount itself. With my iPhone mounted, I took a drive to test out its shock absorbing feature over the many potholes that litter our UK roads, as well as speed bumps and a little bit of off-road gravel. In my test, the magnetic array and suspension mechanism inside the mount did a really great job at keeping my phone attached to it, and neither did it leave the mount or plummet into my car's footwell. The mount felt solid enough in its shock absorption that I'm sure it would cope with much rougher terrain than just car park speed bumps and potholes during my tests. And I'll continue to use this mount and report back here if the mount has ever failed on me. This shock absorbing wireless car charger from Koopao retails for $21.99 from Amazon US and £22.99 from Amazon UK. And you can check out my links down below to learn more about this charger and to buy yourself one. The mount promises fast wireless charging from 5 watts up to 15 watts. So I plugged it into my 36 watt Anker PowerDrive II Duo and ran the Amperes iOS app to see how much output I got from just below 60% of battery. After a few results, I got an average and I got over 14 watts wirelessly from my iPhone 13 Pro, which is pretty good going, I thought. For its price and its features, this charger is a solid solution and the shock absorption works well than just being a little bit of a gimmick. It holds onto my phone magnetically so well that you can pull and adjust the angle of the mount by just simply pulling your phone off it. And the shock absorbing feature is just an additional layer of support for your phone when your car hits any bumps or holes in the road. If you own a 4x4 and take it off-road, or you operate off-road or farming machinery, and you want to mount your phone onto the interior, this suspended mount will probably absorb shocks from a lot of high impact bumps. So I'd say if we're looking for a car mount that works well with MagSafe and you want a secure air vent mounting clip that can take a lot of knocks and bumps on the road, I'll put this car mount from Koopao on your shortlist. If you'd like to see another wireless car charger review, you can check out this video here and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. If you have, please hit that like button down below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this car charger from Koopao, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.